Ready to upgrade your home security? In this video, we're diving into the 5 best AI-powered video doorbell cameras for 2025. From smart alerts to crystal clear video quality, these gadgets are game changers for keeping your home safe. Don't miss out on the latest tech that can help you monitor your front door like a pro. Number 1.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like a takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes. And you can rock and roll with an attitude. Just the way you like it.
Hey Dad, look at the flower.
Oh, it's interesting.
You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick.
Please put it down and leave.
Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down.
Hey, you! Get away from my package! That's mine!
Get up on your feet. Show me you got
Hello!
just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh.
Number 2.
Introducing the Irvine Eye, the most advanced and innovative smart home and security doorbell system powered by artificial intelligence. It's like having a brain for your home, enabling it to act as your bodyguard and personal assistant. Irvine Eye is social media powered. Connecting your social media profile will enable Irvine Eye to recognize your friends, foes, or in-laws, so you'll always be in control of who enters your home. With rising crime rates and new threats emerging every day, it's vital to have security within your home to protect your loved ones. But why stop at home security? With the advancement of today's technology, our vision of what a home should be goes much further.
Irvine Eye also logs all of the visitors to your home, enabling it to identify the type of visitor, such as your neighbor,
You home?
delivery guy,
Deliver it.
stranger,
Hello.
or that naughty little kid next door, Billy.
Irvine Eye has a cloud-based neighborhood watch system. All the neighborhood updates will be uploaded to the cloud so that you and your neighbors can be aware of what's happening at all times.
Irvine Eye is compatible with a variety of cameras and smart home appliances, such as light bulbs, thermostats, refrigerators, window blinds, and much more. And you can command it with the sound of your voice. Irvine Eye, turn off lamp. You can change the display theme on the Irvine Eye to express your personality. You can change it to holiday-themed backgrounds, your kid's drawing you don't want to hang on your fridge, or even your favorite TikTok video.
Express yourself! Now for some nerdy stuff. The touchscreen doorbell camera features a 160-degree field of view HD camera with HDR, night vision, and the ability to record 24 hours a day and 7 days a week.
It's a device that'll give you the peace of mind and comfort you deserve. Make your home a smart home and express yourself with Irvine Eye, your home brain.
Number 3.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Hey there, I'm Belle, the AI home assistant. How can I serve you? Hi, I'm here for a package delivery.
Yeah, it's Anna. I'm here to clean today.
Yeah, hello. I'm Brian. I'm here to pick up Kristen for the school prom.
NetView Bell communicates with your callers, giving dynamic and bespoke responses. It can even open a door for your scheduled appointments.
Hi, Brian. I'll be down in a second.
Visitors can also leave a message when you can't be reached.
Oh, hi. I just moved here. You could drop by when you're free.
Hi, Brian. Happy Halloween. Are you here for Kristen again?
And can welcome guests on their next visit.
Let's go.
HD Camera and Night Vision offers live camera and motion detection straight to your phone 24/7, keeping you safe and capturing those special moments in a family's life. NetView Bell, working for your family. Home security done smart.
Number 4.
Introducing Reolink Video Doorbell PoE and Doorbell Wi-Fi, the first ever video doorbell from Reolink. Answer your door from home, workplace, anywhere.
Wait for a little while, please.
2K plus video quality informs you with richer details. With person detection, it sends alerts even if the bell wasn't pressed.
Get away from my house.
A snapshot of the notification lets you see who's at your door without unlocking the screen. Kind of busy right now? Let your preset voices speak for you.
Please leave the package at the door. Hey Google, show me the front door.
And Google Assistant makes everything easier when your hands are full. Add extra peace of mind with Reolink Video Doorbell.
Number 5.
Please leave the package at the door. Thank you.
Come back home, guys.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.